Now, Cinderella's castle, they've been painting and working on it. So the moat, unfortunately, is drained right now. But it's still good. And you know what? This is a perfect spot to maybe take some pictures. All right, we got evil stepsisters over here. And a crowd. Oh, look. It's the stroller attraction. Everybody's favorite in Disney World, the Sea of Strollers. Got the giant carousel. Concert with the character.
I don't remember walking.
You got Peter Pan's Flight. We're going to catch that one later.
Okay, so we were over here last time because there's Small World.
Your favorite ride is the Small World. Are you trying to tell me you want to go on It's the Small World again?
There's Rapunzel's Tower.
There's Rapunzel's Tower. But it's your favorite song. It's a small world after all. Put that song in your head for the day?
Nope.
Are you sure?
It doesn't work on me because I usually do it to everybody else.
Oh, okay. There's Rapunzel's Tower up there in the distance. We continue to make our way around. Tiffany's leading us. She's leading us off somewhere. What we got? You got the lanterns.
You said you wanted to see the details. The chalk art.
Yeah. Got the chalk. Look at the lanterns up top.
Yeah.
A nice little waterfall back here. Got Rapunzel's tower up there. You gonna yell and see if she drops down her hair?
No.
No? Alright, we're now back around on the front side of the castle. You have Donald and Daisy there. I know they do shows. I told you to check your app and see the time.
Goofy and Pluto.
Oh. Oh, you see Walt and Mickey? Yep. Got some statues, some topiaries here in the center. Now my magic band is buzzing.
Just hear that big brass band. Baby, in the fancy land. I want to ride down the good love Main Street.
Some more of the Dapper Dans.
After all is said and done, there is only one Margie it's you. On her Coney Island walk where she would play.
We were walking by. Tiffany smelled yummy things. So we are heading into the confectionery. This is where you can come get. Yep, that's where you can do your popcorn. Do you want popcorn?
No.
Huh? Not right now. Okay. They got more coffee. All of your Disney candy. Pretty much if you want a snack or anything like that, candy, it's in this store right here. You get your, look at that. All of the treats, the snacks. There's the popcorn. Look at the size of the popcorn. Hun, you see the size of, that's what the popcorn size is.
Yeah.
Customize your gourmet popcorn. He's gone from snacking back to shopping. Disney definitely does not have a lack of shops, stores, and the opportunities to buy souvenirs. All right, we are officially heading into Tomorrowland. Start off with Stitch hanging out there up there on the wall.
Vibrating.
It's what?
My thing is vibrating.
Probably near a ride.
Shining at the end of every day, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
Ah, it looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. And believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today. Yes, sir, buildings are towering now as high as 20 stories. And moving pictures flicker up on a big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country, and we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about two brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption. It'll never work. Closer to home, we've now got gas lamps, a telephone, and the latest design in cast iron stoves. And that reservoir keeps 5 gallons of water hot in just 3 buckets of coal. Oh, it sure beats chopping wood. And isn't our new ice box a beauty? Look at that. Holds 50 pounds of ice. Milk doesn't sour as quick as it used to. And our dog Rover here keeps the water in the drip pan from overflowing. It wasn't too long ago we had to carry water from a well. Found Edison who's working on an idea for snap-on electric lights.
Electric lights? No more kerosene. No more gas.
Sarah sure gets to the core of the apple.
But we do have this new wash day marvel. Now it takes me only 5 hours to do the wash.
Line, right? Oh well, the cistern was low anyway.
Wow, wait, look at that.
Now, James, I thought I told you to ask my permission before using my new stereoscope. It's not a toy, you know.
Ooh la la. So that's little Egypt and Hoochie Coops. Hey, Dad.
Isn't she a knockout? She's the star of the new World's Fair in St. Louis, and you put that away before your mother finds it.
What, Dad?
You heard me.
She keeps that thing going all day long.
Oh, Papa.
Yes, Patricia?
Papa, all these people. I'm indecent.
Don't worry, Patricia. They're friends. That's our teenage daughter. She's getting ready to go to a Valentine's dance across town on one of those new horseless trolleys.
I think it's very romantic they're taking Mother out for Valentine's dinner this year.
Well, you know what kind of sport I am.
Beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow is just a dream away. Man.
All right, so I've just finished subjecting Tiffany to the Carousel of Progress. She pretends she likes it. I think she just humors me, but that's okay. I humor her all day. Hence why we're at Disney. And we have Space Mountain over here. The exit to Space Mountain, the Space Mountain gift shop. And keep working our way back this way towards Tron. And you got the Tomorrowland Speedway. And you can see the people mover going around up there. At Tron's Light Cycle Run. See it up here. We just heard a nice crack of thunder. We have the Storybook Circus. Oh, there comes the train. I'm pretty sure it's going backwards. Huh. They have a splash pad area to cool down. I don't know. That kind of seems like a good idea right now, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I think we're gonna get
Oh, check it out.
It's Donald!
There goes Donald and Daisy. You got Daisy and Donald over here doing a character greeting. You got the Dumbo ride. Do you need to go do Flying Dumbo?
No.
No? All right, well, it says, come back soon.
There's Goofy.
There goes Goofy.
And Minnie.
Oh, Goofy and Minnie are heading off. You just missed Minnie Mouse.
Yeah.
But off they go. Got Under the Sea with the Little Mermaid. But Tiffany's hungry. She wants food. She's no longer interested in rides at the moment. So I think she wants to go up here and try Gaston's Tavern.
Yes.
Is that what you're after?
Yes.
Is it because he's the best?
No.
Are you sure? LeFou says he is.
Well, that's lovely. He's a little fool.
He's a little fool. She's trying to activate the magic.
Vibrated.
I don't know. Suppose you're supposed to make a circle gesture with your magic band. I hear music. Okay. I guess that was the magic you got. But at least explains why it was buzzing when we walked by.
Yeah. Because it's interactive.
Yeah. Okay, she found another one. Maybe do your hand like this. Started vibrating.
He was talking.
He's talking. She looks like a crazy person. I hear him.
He said good day to you.
Oh, she found the Cheshire Cat. There she goes, looking like a crazy lady again. I mean, my magic band is...
No, it's playing music over there.
Oh, and the music's coming out over there for the Cheshire Cat.